Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel. आज का टॉपिक है विश्व भारती लाइब्रेरी का नोटिस डेटेड 31 मई 2021। विश्व भारती सेंट्रल लाइब्रेरी, विश्व भारती लाइब्रेरी नेटवर्क, डेट 31 मई 2021। नोटिस subject faculty member, officers, scholars, students activating LS discovery. VBLN in 24/7 anywhere, any VB library member, anytime, any network, any device. This is to let you know that Vishwabharati Library Network is now using LS Discovery in place of Open Athens. To access resources of VBLN through single interface and cloud computing, any member of VBLN having library card number may browse library resources from their location by using mobile, laptop, desktop through any network. Basically, it is remote access and discovery service with added features. Login into LS Discovery, one may check individual account, transaction status, browse print, digitized and electronic resources. Download full text of the procured subscribed resources. कैसे ये सब करना पड़ेगा? देखिए नीचे सिंपल वे टू लॉग इन URL https://vbu.lsdiscovery.in/. Click login at the last icon of the right hand corner. ID VB library card number as noted in the library card. Password VBU123. After entering in the account through profile, one can change his/her own password. जो स्टूडेंट्स के पास लाइब्रेरी कार्ड है वो लोग इसको फॉलो करने के बाद आप ऑनलाइन लाइब्रेरी को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। मैं इसका एक वीडियो भी बना दूंगा बाद में, ये कैसे करना पड़ेगा आप लोग पहले ट्राई कीजिए, फिर भी मैं एक वीडियो बना दूंगा। The faculty is under experiment and will be functional in full-fledged with all resources on and from first week of April. With this LIBSY-S10 cloud platform, a single window for all resources like OPSC for print collections, e-resources, books, journals and archives, digitized resources and institutional repository, syllabus, question paper, publication, etc. of VBLN and open access educational resources will be searchable and accessible independently 24/7 from anywhere by using any network and device too, with individual login ID and password. Further, the Open Athens remote access and discovery services is no more accessible from 1st April 2021. 2021. As the same service facility will be available in more simple and easier through LS Discovery to all level of VB fraternity, having library card membership, digital library link, https://vbu d space dot ls discovery dot oblique xmlui oblique. Mandatory condition: once anyone log in, it will be automatically assumed that he or she is agreed to avoid the following condition. The user ID and password being set up for me, facilitating remote access through LS Discovery. To online subscribed resources for publisher wise list, click e-library in right hand side panel. By the Vishwabharati Library Network is non-shareable and non-transferable to other. Knowingly or unknowingly, as it is deemed to be violation of the license agreements signed by Vishwabharati with the respective online resources. The usage by individual will be monitored by the service provider as well as VB, and if any misuse including systematic machine added downloading is noticed, the facility will be withdrawn and concerned library member have to pay monetary compensation, if any, claimed by resources provider as well as ready to accept the legal proceedings. The downloaded resources will be used only for academic research purpose following fair use doctrine and not for any commercial purpose. Otherwise, the ID holder will be responsible for any misuse. For any clarification, assistance, feel free to contact with Sri Ramprasad Majumdar, Information Scientist, through mail. Mail ID ramprasad.majumdar@vishwabharati.ac.in or majumdar_ram@yahoo.co.in. The VB fraternity is requested to log in their account and access the valuable resources of Vishwabharati Library from anywhere, anytime, from any network and by any device. Option, remarks, recommendation is most welcome to develop the platform more and more friendly. मैं सिर्फ स्टूडेंट के लिए ये बोलना चाहता हूँ, इसको आप यूज कीजिए और इसको मिसयूज मत कीजिए। इधर पूरा खुल कर लिखा है, ये गलती मत कीजिए। ये नोटिस हुआ है 31 मई 2021, notified by the University Librarian acting Vishwabharati Shantiniketan. Please subscribe my channel for more information. Thank you so much.